Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in the microwave. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always use a microwave-safe dish, like a ceramic mug or glass bowl. If cooking a whole egg, gently pierce the yolk with a fork to prevent it from exploding. Also, loosely cover your dish with a lid or plastic wrap to contain any potential splatters. These simple steps ensure a safe and clean cooking experience. For delicious scrambled eggs, crack 1 or 2 eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or water, then whisk everything together until well combined. Microwave on high for 30 seconds, then remove and stir thoroughly. Return to the microwave and cook in additional 15-second bursts, stirring after each, until the eggs are set to your liking. This method yields fluffy, quick scrambled eggs every time. To make a perfectly poached egg, fill a microwave-safe bowl with about 1/2 cup of water. Carefully crack 1 egg into the water, ensuring the yolk remains intact. Microwave on high power for 60 seconds. After cooking, let the egg stand in the hot water for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. This standing time allows the egg to finish cooking gently, resulting in a tender, runny yolk. For a quick fried egg, lightly grease a microwave-safe plate with about 1 teaspoon of butter or cooking oil. Carefully crack 1 egg onto the prepared plate. Remember to gently pierce the yolk with a fork to prevent it from bursting. Microwave on medium-high power for 45 to 60 seconds, or until the whites are set and the yolk is cooked to your preference. Enjoy your effortlessly cooked egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.